This is drama, 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 drama. Abi, this is Calabar. This is Calabar. This is part of Calabar. One part of Calabar. This is part of Calabar Parliamentary station. As you can see, Ayade is working. Ayade is working. Yes, it's working. Ayade is working. It's working. Yes. Ayade is working. It's working. 20 people. Omo, Ayade is working. Yes, it's working. Correct. Maybe that. Ayade is working, my guy. Maybe that you. Addition. Maybe that. Maybe that. Ayade is working. Yes. Mama, River Niger, River Benue, which one be this one? Which one be this one? Am I right? Between River Niger and Benue, which one be this one? Evo, that is what you know. Simaga. So between River Niger and River Benue, which one be this one? Yeah? Yes. They are doing it. Seriously, it's not funny. Evo? Yes, yes, yes. Did you see that? Naso. Guys are doing it.
Why is there like that?
Yeah? Between River Niger and River Benue, which one is this one? Ewo!
And the Chidima need to follow.
Yes. 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 This lady is scared, He does not want her face to show, Alright now.
Now you sabi send them.
They must see this thing when they happen for here. Must see. Yes. He said between River Niger and River Benue. Which one is this one?
River Calabar.
River Calabar.
Nigeria is not funny.
It's not funny, my brother. It's not funny. Imagine this. Imagine. Huh? For more than 2 hours, we'll be stuck here as a result of this floods. Imagine. This is one part of Calabar called Parliamentary Extension. Imagine. For more than 2 hours, we'll be stuck here. Look at floods. Imagine this. Why is it done, my friend? Yes. You can see the number of vehicles trying to see their way out of this. For more than 2 hours, we've been stuck here. You see that? It's not funny. Omo, demosiamo. Some of us, Omo, pack and just since 2 hours. Yes. Yes. You see? Hey. This is River Calabar. He said it's called River Calabar. This one is called River Calabar. Yes, so he said it is called River Calabar. Oh. Yes. Yes. Yes, so yes. It's not funny. It's not. Hello. No, it's not funny. This is not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny at all. Yes. Let me see it. Yeah. As you can see, people are trying to see their way out of this mess. They say it is called River Calabar. As you can see. Yes. Jesus, my God, it's not funny.